in a very different type of place today. We did not fly here. We flew the minivan here. I've already lost my whole entire crew. We're basically at the Alaska State Fair, which happens every August. Well, it looks like Mark and Ben are ready to enter the fair. What do you think, boys? You ready to go get this thing done?
Yeah.
I'd say that's worth a shot. Are you scared? No? We're gonna go do this thing.
We gotta get one of these for the backyard!
I don't know what I'm doing.
For Pulver, let's hear it for Marvin. And chopping for Wasilla, let's hear it for Jeff. And they both make their turn to the backside. And all right. Oh. Okay. All right, here we go. If you guys tie again, whoever makes it across the boom the fastest. No, don't do that. 3, 2, 1, go!
Adele, what do you want to eat?
Bread.
Barbecue ribs?
Yeah.
Recommend it? Everybody who comes to the fair? What about you, Mark?
Very good.
Very good. Got the extreme package,
Yes.
100 tickets. You excited?
Yeah.
I got my little baby girl. You excited? Who's cool? Come. All right. How was that? Was that fun? What do you got here, boys? Yeah? You gonna give me a bite? Not bad. We gotta get the big boss to say okay, because that doesn't happen very often. But it can be done, folks. All right. There it comes. Woo! We just won that thing right there. One of the reasons why you bring helpers to the fair. Who turned the music off?
Now the song ended.
Got the whole family bundled up in the minivan. We'll take the van home. Thanks for joining. If you like this video, hit that big thumbs up, write a comment below, and remember to subscribe. Cheers.